Hello guys, let's have a look how the companies are wasting really with the resources, in this case with the paper. I bought a small Bluetooth USB adapter for my computer. This delivered it to me in this big package. So let's have a look that it was really necessary or not. So this is the package, this is the USB adapter for the Bluetooth. I'm unpacking it, coming inside. So this you see, and this is really inside. This really small USB stick. Isn't this wonderful how we can really waste the resources? I mean, it's terrible, guys. So this should be really changed in the future.